It's funny. The 3 laws of exponents. Yay! Click the subscribe button.
Cool. Hey, how are you?
Good.
You ready to look at 3 laws of exponents?
Let's get started.
Hey, that's my line. Let's get started. The first law we're going to look at is called the product law. Before we dive in, I want to look at a number in exponential form, 2 to the 3rd power. Let's break this down. Each part has a specific name. Here, the 2 is the base, and the 3 is the power or exponent. Keep that in mind. I'll keep that right here, just as a reference. So, the product law says when multiplying numbers with the same base, you add the exponents.
Can we see an example?
Sure. Take 2 to the 2nd power times 2 to the 4th power, for example. Are the bases the same?
Yes, they are.
So we could keep the bases the same and add the exponents. 2 to the 6th power.
I think I got it.
So let's try 3 squared times 3 to the 4th power times 3 squared. Are the bases the same?
Yes.
So what do...
Hold on, I'm counting.
Sorry.
That will be 3 to the 8th power.
Exactly. The bases are the same, so we add 2 plus 4 plus 2 and leave the base the same. A quick proof would look like this. Let's take the expression 2 squared means what?
2 times 2.
Multiplied by 2 to the 4th, which means what?
2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Yup. So, if we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which can be written as 2 to the 6th power. Positive exponents just means repeated multiplication. Notice, when we put it in expanded form, we got the same answer, 2 to the 6th power. Next law, the quotient law. This law says that when the bases are the same, you subtract the exponents.
Opposite of product law.
Exactly. So if we had 2 to the 5th power divided by 2 to the 3rd power, let's see. Bases are the same, so we subtract the exponents. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 squared, or 2 to the 2nd power.
I think I got it.
Okay, 4 to the 7th power divided by 4 to the 2nd power.
Bases are the same. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 to the 5th power.
Perfect. Let's try a proof. 4 to the 7th power is just really 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 divided by 4 squared. 4 times 4. We can cancel the 4's. 1, 2, and we're left with 4 to the 5th power.
Yay!
Last law, we're going to look at power of a power law.
That sounds powerful.
It is. This says that when a power is raised to another power, we multiply the exponents. So a squared to the 3rd power would just be a to the 6th power. For example, if we have 2 to the 4th and we raise that to the 2nd power, I need to multiply the exponents. So this would be
2 to the 8th power.
Yep. I'll give you another. 6 to the 3rd power raised to the 2nd power.
6 to the 6th.
Yep. we multiply the exponents. Proof. If we're multiplying 6 to the third power twice,
that's just like the product law.
And look.
Add the exponents.
Wow, you catch on quick. Bases are the same, so we add the exponents. Same answer. Let's recap. Product law says that if the bases are the same, we
add the exponents.
Quotient law says if the bases are the same, we
subtract the exponents.
And power of a power law says when raising a power to another power, we multiply the exponents. Once again, thanks for joining.
Don't forget.